After watching this video, you will always freeze the lemon peel. Lemon is one of the most well-known and used foods in the world. That's because of its high health benefits. Since ancient times it is used to cure different types of diseases. In addition, it is an excellent antioxidant and contributes large amounts of nutrients to our body. It is very important that the moment we want to use frozen lemon, we look for lemons that are as natural as possible, since the others are already contaminated with pesticides, and clearly we do not want harmful chemicals to enter our body. If you cannot find an organic, you should wash the lemon very well to remove the pesticide. The lemon has antiviral and antibiotic properties, thus slowing down the microorganisms that cause the diseases. In addition, it is very effective to treat parasites and worms that may be in the person's stomach. It helps to treat the nervous system and blood pressure. In addition, did you know that recently it was discovered that it has anti-cancer properties and may even be more beneficial than chemotherapy? This is because it has a very powerful action against cancer cells and can destroy them without causing any alteration in healthy cells. After several investigations, it has been concluded that this food contains high amounts of limonoids, a compound that has anti-cancer properties and helps especially against breast cancer. But it also helps prevent and combat problems of leukemia, colon cancer, prostate cancer, neuroblastoma, liver cancer, pancreatic cancer. How to prepare and take the frozen lemon? 1. First of all, you should wash the lemon very well, if you wish, with a little water with a few drops of apple cider vinegar. 2. Then you should put it in the freezer until it is hard. 3. After you realize that it is ready, remove it, and with a normal grater of the kitchen grate its shell and pulp. 4. Then the dust that grated the lemon you can throw it to any type of food, where you want. Also,